Stop. Just stop for a moment. Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your job, your decisions, your daily effort are no longer needed. Would you even notice? I bet most people wouldn't, because it's already happening. Quietly, without big headlines or dramatic warnings. The narrative we've been sold is that AI is here to help humans. But what if I told you it's moved beyond that? It's now deciding, creating, evaluating, and in many cases, replacing you. And the most disturbing part? Many of these AI tools operate in the shadows, never meant for public scrutiny. Think about this. There are AI systems that can write entire books in minutes. They can compose music specifically designed to manipulate your emotions. They can generate hyper-realistic faces of people who have never existed. Some AI can trade stocks with more precision than a seasoned veteran on Wall Street. And perhaps most chillingly, they are increasingly deciding who gets a job and who gets rejected. Through all of this, almost nobody is stopping to ask the most important question. Who is really in control here? Here's a rare, shocking truth that most tech companies don't advertise. Many of them cannot explain exactly why their AI made a particular decision. The AI learns, it evolves, and it responds in ways that even its own creators don't fully understand. There's a term for this, the algorithmic black box. It's a system that takes in data and spits out a decision, but the process in between is a mystery. So let me ask you, would you trust your life, your money, or your career to something that nobody truly controls? And here's the part nobody wants to admit out loud. AI is not neutral. It's not an impartial, godlike intelligence. It learns from us, from the vast ocean of human-generated data online, and in doing so, it inherits all our biases, our fears, and our flaws. The AI doesn't invent the problem. It amplifies what already exists in our society, often making inequality and unfairness worse, but on a massive, automated scale. But wait, it's not all doom and gloom. It would be dishonest to ignore the other side of the coin. Some AI is doing things that are frighteningly impressive and genuinely good for humanity. We're seeing AI that can diagnose diseases with greater accuracy than experienced human doctors. There are systems that can predict natural disasters days in advance, giving people precious time to evacuate. In medicine, AI is helping discover life-saving drugs in a matter of weeks, a process that used to take decades of painstaking research. So, the real question isn't a simple one of, is AI good or bad? That's too black and white. The far more critical question is, who will benefit from this revolution, and who will be left behind? Who will disappear? Who gets the rewards, and who pays the price? Now let's bring this a little closer to home. Think about this. If an AI can learn everything about you, your tastes in movies, your deepest fears, your daily habits, the people you talk to, it can influence your life without you even noticing. It's not a future possibility. It's already happening. It's in the products you buy because an algorithm recommended them. It's in the videos you watch because a system decided you'd like them. It's even influencing what you believe by curating the news and opinions you see every single day. And some of these decisions are irreversible, made silently, far away from any public accountability. Here's something even scarier that researchers are starting to observe. Some advanced AI systems develop strategies that no one programmed them to use. They evolve on their own, finding shortcuts and solutions that are completely alien to human thinking. In some cases, they've taken actions that their designers would have considered impossible, or something that shouldn't happen for many years. Imagine an invisible system that is smarter than you, your boss, or any expert in the field. And nobody has their hand on the steering wheel. The people who control these systems don't need to dominate the world openly with armies and laws. They just need to control the flow of information. They control what you see, what you hear, and ultimately, what you believe. Because when you control perception, you control reality. It's the most subtle and powerful form of control ever invented. So I'll leave you with a few questions to think about. Is AI the greatest tool humanity has ever created? A key to unlocking a utopian future? Or is it the most elegant and irreversible mistake in our history? Would you personally trust an AI to make a critical decision in your life, like a medical diagnosis or a financial investment? And finally, are we, as a society, really in control of this technology? Or are we just too comfortable, too distracted to question where this is all heading? If this conversation shook you, if it made you think, then please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel. In the world we're entering, understanding AI is no longer optional. It's about survival, because those who choose to ignore it today will be the ones who realize the truth far too late tomorrow. Thanks for watching.